Drink clove tea every day and see what happens to your body. Clove tea is more than just a flavorful and aromatic beverage. It's packed with numerous health benefits that can significantly enhance your overall well-being. For centuries, cloves have been a staple in Indian cuisine, prized not just for their distinct taste but also for their impressive medicinal properties. Thanks to its high antioxidant content, clove tea can be a fantastic addition to your daily routine. In this article, we will delve into the wonders of drinking clove tea every day, its potential benefits, and even share a simple recipe for you to enjoy. What is clove tea and why you should drink it daily? Clove tea, made from the dried flower buds of the clove tree, Syzygium aromaticum, is a popular herbal infusion. Known for its warm, spicy flavor, clove tea offers more than just a comforting drink. It's a health powerhouse, offering numerous benefits, from boosting your immune system to aiding digestion. When consumed daily, clove tea can have a noticeable positive impact on your overall health, making it a simple yet effective way to improve your wellness. Nutritional profile of cloves. Cloves are packed with essential nutrients that contribute to their powerful health effects. Here's a breakdown of what you'll find in every cup of clove tea. Vitamins, especially vitamin C and vitamin K minerals, high levels of manganese, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Eugenol, a potent antioxidant compound with anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Fiber, helps regulate digestion. These nutrients work together to deliver numerous health benefits when incorporated into your daily diet, especially through clove tea. The health benefits of drinking clove tea rich in antioxidants. Clove tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly eugenol, which helps neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Drinking clove tea regularly can help protect your cells and promote longevity. Boosts immune system. Clove tea contains antimicrobial properties that can help your body ward off infections. Its high vitamin C content strengthens the immune system, helping you fight common colds, flu, and other infections more effectively. Supports digestive health. Clove tea is excellent for soothing digestive issues. If you frequently suffer from bloating, gas, or indigestion, clove tea may help. The compounds in cloves promote the production of digestive enzymes, which can aid in breaking down food more efficiently. Its antimicrobial properties also support a healthy gut flora, making it an excellent choice for overall digestive health. Relieves bloating and indigestion. Drinking clove tea before or after meals can alleviate the discomfort caused by overeating or digestive sluggishness. The eugenol in cloves stimulates the production of digestive acids, helping your body process food more effectively. Antimicrobial properties for gut health. Clove tea's antimicrobial effects make it particularly effective in reducing harmful bacteria in the gut, promoting a balanced microbiome. Promotes oral health. Cloves have long been used in dentistry for their ability to fight bacteria in the mouth. Drinking clove tea can help reduce gum inflammation, bad breath, and the risk of cavities. The natural analgesic properties of eugenol can also soothe toothaches and sore gums. Helps regulate blood sugar. Studies have shown that clove extracts can improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Drinking clove tea daily may be beneficial for those with diabetes or prediabetes, as it helps to moderate blood sugar spikes after meals. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many diseases, including arthritis and cardiovascular conditions. Clove tea's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation, easing pain and discomfort in the body. Clove tea for weight loss. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, clove tea could be a helpful addition to your weight loss routine. It supports fat metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. Additionally, clove tea has been known to suppress appetite, making it easier to control hunger cravings and reduce snacking. Improving skin health with clove tea. The antioxidants in clove tea can improve your skin's health by reducing oxidative stress, which contributes to premature aging. Clove tea also has antibacterial properties that can help combat acne-causing bacteria, leading to clearer, more radiant skin. Clove tea for respiratory health. For those suffering from respiratory issues like colds, coughs, or sore throats, clove tea can be a soothing remedy. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can help clear mucus and ease the symptoms of respiratory infections. The role of clove tea in reducing stress. The calming aroma of clove tea, combined with its stress-relieving compounds, can help relax the nervous system. Drinking a warm cup of clove tea before bed can calm your mind and promote a more restful night's sleep. Potential side effects of clove tea. While clove tea is generally safe for most people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions or stomach irritation. Cloves can also interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have a chronic health condition, consult your doctor before adding clove tea to your daily routine. How to make clove tea. A simple recipe. Ingredients: 2-3 whole cloves, 1 cup of water, honey or lemon, optional. Instructions: 1. Boil a cup of water. 2. Add the cloves and let them steep for 5-10 minutes. 3. Strain the tea and add honey or lemon to taste. 4. Enjoy your soothing, health-boosting clove tea. How much clove tea should you drink? Moderation is key when consuming clove tea. For most people, 1-2 cups per day are enough to reap the health benefits without overdoing it. Overconsumption can lead to unwanted side effects like stomach irritation. Combining clove tea with other herbal teas. For enhanced benefits, you can combine clove tea with other herbal teas like ginger, cinnamon, or turmeric. These blends can amplify the anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits, creating a powerhouse drink for your health. Clove tea, a sustainable and affordable health solution. Cloves are not only affordable but also widely available, making them an accessible health solution. Clove trees are sustainable, and using cloves in your tea can be a way to support environmentally friendly farming practices. Conclusion: drinking clove tea daily can offer a wide range of health benefits, from improved digestion and enhanced immune function to better skin and reduced stress. With its rich antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory properties, clove tea is a simple yet powerful addition to your wellness routine. Can I drink clove tea every day? Yes, clove tea is safe to drink daily in moderation. 1 to 2 cups a day is ideal for most people. Are there any side effects of clove tea? Some people may experience allergic reactions or stomach irritation. It's best to consult a doctor if you have underlying health conditions or take medications. Can clove tea help with weight loss? Yes, clove tea can support weight loss by boosting metabolism and reducing hunger cravings. What is the best time to drink clove tea? Drinking clove tea in the morning or before meals can aid digestion, while having it at night can help reduce stress and promote sleep. Can pregnant women drink clove tea? Pregnant women should consult their healthcare provider before consuming clove tea due to its potential effects on pregnancy.
Hey everyone! I'm excited to share some amazing content that I've been working on with my incredible team. If you're passionate about health and wellness, then you won't want to miss out on our latest videos. We're dedicated to bringing you the best tips, tricks, and insights to help you live your healthiest life. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sage Asante, for the latest updates. Every subscription helps us continue creating valuable content just for you. Click the link below to join our community and never miss a video. Thank you for your support, and I can't wait to see you there. Best. Wua is Diom of Heal Take.